Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you my most favorite inventory management software, Unleashed. With the epic name comes epic features, and we will talk about them. We will go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Unleashed, and also we'll go through and make some beginner's guide from the start to the most essentials you'll need in Unleashed. So what is it? Unleashed is a smart inventory management platform developed for all types of businesses to provide better visibility regarding inventory information. It assists you in reducing your cost and increasing your profits by managing and tracking your inventory. With Unleashed, you can track your data on stock, partner with multiple e-commerce marketplaces, enable various accounting and sales software, in order to ensure an end-to-end solution for business management. Ideal for all types for businesses, it enables barcoding, inventory optimization, and inventory overview, along with providing smart tools to manage purchase, orders, suppliers, and shipping. With the platform's smart tools and features, retailers, merchants, and manufacturers can sell their goods online with utmost ease and comfort. Users get cloud-based software that enables thorough search through filters and cost tracking. You can additionally manage your warehouse and kitting with Unleashed. Users can manage payments, shipments, and invoices in multiple currencies and locations. The platform provides many premium plan options to choose from to its users, along with a free trial version to test and try its premium features before making the actual purchase decision. It's meant to be for all type of businesses, small, medium, and also the largest of enterprises. And they are providing really excellent support for their clients. I will go to pricing, but let's first peek into the Unleashed itself, so we see what is it all about. How to get in, how to get the free sneak peek into Unleashed. Well, it's really easy. Straight away in their website, unleashedsoftware.com, click on try the software for free. Now you'll get redirected. Let's go with this will take a moment. Job role, you can go with CEO, for example, country, Slovakia, city, let's go with this one. This is completely made up, and obviously Slovakia is using euros. So once you go with first base informations, we want to go and you can select more than one business type. Let's go with trade and services. Which industry are you trading in? As you can see, tons of options. Let's go with IT, number of employees, just like that. Now they are asking for the password. Let's go with this one. Then just you have read and accepted. And if you want some spam, you can scratch in, but it's not mandatory. Now, straight away, you are activating your account. It can take a while because they are really huge of features. So it may take a while, but I have a fast internet and also a good PC. And also, they are asking for two-step authentication, but we don't want it for this show-off account. So let's go with skip for now, but I don't really recommend it. Now, you have to add your email and also your password. Hopefully all checks out. And no, we don't want to. And we have our dashboard here. I have to say, what really is for me the best thing is how it's clear of view. And you can see everything very easily. On the left side of your main bar, you can basically go from columns to columns and go to purchases, inventory, production, sales, customers, suppliers, integration, reports, and then you have your own dashboard in here where you can track everything that's going on in Unleashed. So let's go to purchases. We have purchase orders and we can get to add a purchase. As you can see straight away, you can go with supplier's code and supplier's name. Those two are mandatory. If we want to go and start with a purchase, first of all, we have to go to suppliers and add a supplier. We can go with supplier code, which is completely your own. So let's go with 0001. Supplier name, let's go with Rocket Factory. You can go with wet number, but you don't have to. Basically everything that's mandatory is supplier code and supplier name. Everything else is extra, but I strongly recommend you paying attention to it. Also, we have address, contacts, or purchases. Contacts are very, very useful for your employees. If something goes wrong, you can basically just open Rocket Factory with supplier code and then find out who is responsible for basically, I don't know, shipping. So you know your purchase or your delivery is not up to date, so you know who to call. So let's go with Jack Reacher. We don't have to give him an email, website, Sophie, or phone. Basically we are adding him and saving the whole Rocket Factory. Right now, if you want to go back to purchases and add a purchase, we can finally fulfill, because we are going with 001, which we already found, and we know it's Rocket Factory. And right now we can go with supplier reference, discount, for example, 10%, supplier invoice date, let's go with the days, no tax rate, delivery name, and all the addresses that you can go on. And then you just go with place. Oh, and order lines, sorry. We have obviously order something from them. Rocket, quantity of 3. Price 30,000, and so on and so on. We want to add this one, but I'm afraid that the problem is that in our suppliers or view suppliers, as you can see at the moment, we have the Rocket Factory, but we can go with Barry because we need to enter. We have to enter every information of what they are selling to us. Then when we are done, we just have to go and find what they are going or what they are offering. Suppliers, we use suppliers, Barry. As you can see, there's a Berry Boutique, and we are ordering nails from them. So they are into nails business, which is really, really nice. Let's go back, and you see this one is already, this berry shop is already created by Unleashed. And we can check everything that we purchased from them. Let's go back to the purchase. Now we know what is berry offering and product. Let's go with nails, because we have to find the stuff they are selling. We are at a quantity and then add. As you can see, now it's working properly. We can add more nails, for example, as quantity 10, and add. Now we can place the order. You have successfully placed purchase order. Straight away, you are downloading the purchase order. You can check it out, and this is the pre-invoice. It's very easy because Unleashed is doing tons of stuff for you, so you don't have to hassle around. Then we have inventory with transaction of stock adjustments, warehouse transfer, stock counts, and so on and so on. I'm going to do a lot of videos about each and every step of Unleashed, so stay tuned in. This is just a sneak peek how to get in, how to navigate around. Also, we'll go through integrations, so you know how to make Unleashed better. Until then, if you have any kinds of questions for me about Unleashed, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to answer them shortly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.